Number 4 says, how many 60s are in 244? And yeah, in case you're wondering, I did skip ahead. The first page is kind of redundant, but I'll go back to those in a second. But I wanted to start on number 4 in the back. Anyways, let's set this up. Time travel. And here's the setup. Now, you can't do 60 into 224 or 244 easily without just counting by 60s. But what we can do is we can use what we know about rounding, because that 4 is irrelevant. We're jumping by 60s. We're going 60, 120, 180. So these in-between numbers, whoops, we're going to make that into an 8, pretend that never happened. Oh, it looks good. And that's a 240. 6, 12, 18, 24 with zeros after them. So we're just counting by 60s on like a number line. That's supposed to be a line. So the answer is 4 is the closest we can get. And we don't even have to actually solve this one because it just says how many 60s. There's 4 60s. There's a remainder, but it doesn't matter for this one. So it actually means less work. Yay, engage New York Common Core. Let's go back and do another one. Pause. How many 80s go into, I'm doing this one, 346? Well, what you really need to think about is how many 80s go into 340, or 8 into 34. We can't do 80 into these two numbers, so you have to go to all 3 of them. So it's kind of like the one we just did, if you think about it. Anyway, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 is too high, so what did I count? 4 of them? Yep. 4 80s, so 4 times 80 is 32, and that's as close as we can get without going over. And remember, that 6 is there, even though we kind of put a 0 there. That was just to help us think through the problem. I gotta fix this future. Okay, I just had to slide all that stuff up. I guess I could have done that without going into the future, but going into the future is fun. Although it kind of looks the same as the past and the present, but whatever. Let's see. So whoops. I gotta move these over a little bit more to align them, because if they're not in the right spot, you're gonna subtract the wrong number. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So yeah, this is really just long division, the old-fashioned way, really. Not estimating, but we do need estimation in order to do this quickly and efficiently. So that's our answer. Bring down. So 0, 26, so 26. How many 80s go in, and this guy should be and if we look back up here, this 6 really should have been here. So let's just delete the 0. Whoops. Uh-oh. Undo. Ooh, I think I deleted the whole slide. Whoops. Epic fail. Alright, what was I doing? Delete that one. Delete that. Delete those guys. There. So really, I just forgot to put in 4 times, remember you want a little times thing here, 4 times 80 is 320. And then there's nothing to bring down, so 4 is just your answer. You just have to look, see, 6 minus 0, 6, 2, so 26 is just then the remainder. Now up at the top, I don't know if you can see this. Oh yeah, let's just go up. It says then check using multiplication. That's just like common sense. It's not anything extra that they're asking you to do. You should always just do this anyway. So I'm going to go to the future and do this for you. Okay, so 80 times 4. 4 is our answer, times 80, which is really just 8 times 4, which is 32 with a 0 then. 320. We need 346 though. Oh, we got to add the 26. That's right. 320 plus, or you could say 320 plus 20 plus 6. That'd be easier, which is 340, and then 346. So yeah, we did this one right. And that's it for today. Have a good night. Bye-bye.